Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by launching Kapi Camera and immediately granting camera, microphone, and photos access so the app can record and save. Once done, tap the mode selector to pick photo or video. Pick photo for stills, video for motion. Next, set resolution and frame rate. Pick 1080p at 30 for general use or 4K at 24 for cinematic footage. These first steps get the hardware and format ready, so every later control behaves predictably, and you capture intended quality. You now compose the shot using grid lines and the rule of thirds to place your subject for visual impact. Then tap the screen to lock focus and drag the exposure slider to correct brightness. Locking focus prevents shifts during recording. If you need more control, switch to manual mode to set ISO and shutter speed. Use stabilization for handheld shots and HDR for high dynamic range scenes. These adjustments ensure sharp focus, proper exposure, and a stable image before you hit record. Press record and keep an eye on framing and audio meters. Adjust framing or levels on the fly if needed. When finished, stop recording and immediately review the clip and playback. Use the built-in trimmer to remove unwanted starts or ends, then export at full resolution if satisfied. If something goes wrong, restart the app first, confirm permissions and that storage is available, and retry. This resolves most problems quickly. Finally, save backups to cloud or external drives to avoid lost footage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.